IGSHPA was formed in 1987, really under the leadership of Dr. Jim Bowes and some other pioneers in the field who had been working on making ground source heat pump systems mainstream in this country. It began here in Stillwater, Oklahoma, and they recognized the need, number one, for further research in ground source heat pump technology, and then the need for the ability to take that research and transfer it to the industry in practical terms to help improve the efficiency of the ground source heat pumps, and also to train people in the heating and cooling industry on how to use this new ground source heat pump technology. From those humble beginnings in 1987, it has grown to involve manufacturers, installers, researchers, and it is now the world's largest professional association for the ground source heat pump industry. A ground source heat pump is a home heating and cooling system very similar to what's in most American homes. The difference is that with a ground source heat pump, the earth is used as a sink for heat. In the summer, when your house is warm, the ground source heat pump takes the heat out of your house and moves it into the ground, which is a very stable temperature all year round. In the winter, heat is taken out of the ground and transferred into your house to heat your house. It's one of the most efficient systems for heating and cooling your home or your business in use today. IGSHPA is dedicated to meeting the professional training and research needs of our industry. To do that, we have several courses that we provide around the United States, North America, and the world to train drillers, to train folks that install ground source heat pumps, and also professionals that are involved in inspecting the ground source heat pump installations to make sure they're done correctly.
We travel the country, the United States, working on military bases from Quantico to Fort Knox to Fort Sill to Camp Lejeune. We do a lot of schools down in Texas, Arkansas, Michigan, co-ops. We do about every big geothermal project that there is to do. We do anything. We do geothermal drilling, tie-in work, and flushing and purging. Being IGSHPA certified is an absolute must for the level of work and the jobs that I do. Like, I think my first job out of OSU, it was an $80 million project down at Fort Sill. The Stinger, Avenger, Patriot, and C4I missile schools. There was 3 schools there, and I think there was over 800 boreholes on it, and I had to tie it together, set the vaults, and flush and purge it. So, without being certified, you don't even get an opportunity to work on the project.
IGSHPA is truly a member-led organization. There is a board of directors that are elected by the members of IGSHPA that includes a chair. And there's several committees that work to really provide strategic direction for the organization.
The most important reason to become a member of IGSHPA is because, number one, you get to come and take the course, which basically gives you a broad overview of how the systems work, so you'll have an understanding. And then you'll be more marketable out in the field where, obviously you're taking the course. Some people just take the course for fun, but very few do, just for the understanding. But most people want to go and add it to their business plan and go make money. And so without it, you're not going to get the opportunity to do the work. And if you do go out and do the work without being IGSHPA certified, you're going to make so many mistakes, you'll regret every minute of it.